If you're considering UltraTax CS for your sales tax needs, there are 12 things you need to know before making a decision. UltraTax CS is a powerful solution for tax professionals, but how does it stack up against other sales tax software? Let's go through these key points so you can make an informed choice. First, UltraTax CS integrates seamlessly with Thomson Reuters CS Professional Suite, which is a huge benefit if you're already using other tools from them. This integration makes it easy to manage both personal and business taxes in one place, simplifying the entire workflow compared to other software that might require you to jump between systems. Next, UltraTax CS is built with a focus on accuracy and compliance, ensuring that all your sales tax calculations align with state and local regulations. Unlike some competitors, this software automatically updates rates and rules, saving you time and reducing the risk of errors. You won't need to manually check for updates as often, which can be a huge plus for businesses dealing with multiple states. The third thing to consider is the scalability. UltraTax CS is ideal for larger firms or businesses with a high volume of tax filings. While it's packed with features, it may be overkill for smaller businesses with simpler tax needs. Competitors like TaxJar or Avalara might offer more user-friendly options for businesses just getting started or those with fewer transactions. The fourth thing to know is the pricing structure. UltraTax CS isn't cheap, and the cost can add up quickly as you add more modules and features. If you're on a budget, some other software options like TaxCloud or SalesTax.com may offer more affordable pricing for smaller operations. But keep in mind that what you pay for with UltraTax CS is the robust functionality and integration capabilities. Next up, the user interface. UltraTax CS has a bit of a learning curve. Its interface isn't as intuitive as some competitors, so be prepared to spend some time getting used to it. If you're new to tax software, you might find solutions like QuickBooks Commerce or TaxJar easier to navigate at first, but the power of UltraTax CS is worth the effort if you're willing to learn. The sixth point is customer support. UltraTax CS offers excellent support, especially for tax professionals, with access to a dedicated team and comprehensive resources. However, it's not always the most responsive when compared to some competitors who offer 24/7 chat support. Another thing to keep in mind is the reporting features. UltraTax CS offers detailed and customizable reporting tools, which can give you deep insights into your tax processes. This is a major advantage over simpler solutions like TaxJar that offer more basic reports. If reporting is critical for your business, this could make UltraTax CS stand out. The eighth thing is automation. UltraTax CS offers a lot of automated features, such as automatic rate updates, electronic filing, and seamless import-export of data, making it a highly efficient option for those with complex tax filings. However, competitors like Avalara provide even more advanced automation options, especially in the realm of international tax compliance. Next, UltraTax CS offers strong security measures. For businesses handling sensitive tax data, this is a crucial consideration. It uses encryption and secure logins to protect your data, and it has a solid track record when it comes to data protection, which is something other solutions might not be as focused on. Now let's talk about integrations. UltraTax CS has a wide range of integrations with accounting, payroll, and ERP systems, making it highly versatile. If your business uses multiple software platforms, this is a major benefit that can save time. Competitors often have fewer integrations, which can lead to more manual work and potential errors. The 10th point is that UltraTax CS is great for multi-state filing. For businesses that operate in multiple states, this software can handle the complexity of different sales tax laws without you needing to worry about keeping up with individual state rules. Many other solutions can struggle with this level of complexity. Next, there's the matter of updates and maintenance. UltraTax CS is consistently updated with new features and tax law changes, but this does mean you'll need to keep up with